Eugenie, thank you so much for chatting to me.
Thank you, Alice. It's a pleasure. Thanks for calling.
Now, my kids are loving learning about taste buds, and I thought I'd come to you as a taste expert to talk a little bit more about the science of what it means to taste stuff.
It's about science and it's about nutrition, understanding what taste means. And what taste means is actually the nutritional quality of our food. That's what taste is all about. So when we talk about taste, we talk about the 5, maybe 6, if you consider fatty acids, different taste types.
So sweet, salty, sour, bitter, umami, and fat now, right?
Nowadays, it's well accepted that we can taste fatty acid.
That's fat with a PH, Eugenie. And so it's a bit of a bonus then that it also tastes good to us.
Not everything tastes good to us, right? We learn to like bitter. Bitterness is supposed to be identifying potentially toxic compounds, right? So there's innate taste that we like, sweetness. Innately, we're born with it. But in general, bitterness is about caution, is about rejecting a food. That's the initial feeling about bitterness. That's across all kids, right? But then we like bitterness only after we learn that it's a good potential food.
Your taste buds are like a muscle, and the more that you stretch the more you flex the muscle, the more that you challenge it, the bigger it gets. Is that a good way to describe it?
So there's some aspects that we can train or modulate through environmental and external factors, but then there's a part of it that we will not be able to train well, which is the genetics of it. And that brings me to, for example, a very popular topic on taste, which is the super taste. There's one particular gene that will allow us to sense these compounds that we call thioureas. And I think what's important about these compounds is that they are present in some foods, in some vegetables. Nowadays, we believe that roughly 40 to 50% of the population will be able to taste these thiourea compounds as really bitter. So if you're a super taster, chances are that some of these vegetables, you'll find them really bitter.
But that's not to say that if you're a super taster, you're always going to dislike bitter, or if you're a non-taster, you're always going to be okay with bitter. What's the research around that?
When we talk about taste in general, we probably think about, 30, 40 genes involved in taste perception. So each one of us will probably have a slightly different profile of taste. There's not 2 of us which are actually the same. So because of all the different combinations of all these different genes makes us all perceive taste a little bit different.
Eugenie, I could talk to you all day, but I've got to get to class. I'm so grateful for your time.
I'm really happy to, anytime.
Gracias and adios.
Adios, adeu.
I love the beetroot from Lily's story, and I love the chocolate from Lucy's story. Wait, and I love ice cream. So if we mix them together, could we make an ice cream?
Heck yes, you could.
Ice cream! Blood and bone! Jack-o'-lantern! Slimy snot! What flavour would you like? We have blood and bone, jack-o'-lantern, and slimy snot. Jack-o'-lantern. 1 jack-o'-lantern. Here you go.
Can I please also get a snot slime?
Sure.
I don't want to eat. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I just have the purple one?
Blood and bone.
Ooh, okay, yeah, definitely. 10 out of 10.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I quit.
What flavors are there? Guys, did you like the ice cream?
Yeah.
It was delicious.
Yeah. Yes, so much. It's so good.
It's absolutely delicious.
Really? Did it taste different to normal ice creams that you have?
Yeah. Yeah, a bit.
Or was it a better?
Yes, it's a much better. You don't really know what it is. It's some sort of chocolate and raspberry.
So a mix.
It tastes slightly different.
A better different or a worse different?
A better different.
Do you know what's in it? Do you have any idea?
No.
What was it? Was it rain snot or something? Snot?
This was the slimy snot.
Yes, slimy snot.
You think that's it?
Yeah, slimy snot. I have no clue what's in mine. Pumpkins? Chocolate?
You wanna know?
I don't think so.
Surprise, surprise! It's beetroot. Do you like beetroot?
I love beetroot.
Can I just ask you a question? Do you like beetroot? Because that had beetroot in it.
Really?
Yeah. Do you like it? Beetroot?
Not particularly. It's okay, but not usually. But this is actually really good.
You guessed right. Pumpkin. The yellow one. Do you like cucumber?
Yeah.
Well, you just tasted an ice cream cucumber. It's actually cucumber inside. Do you like cucumber?
No.
Cucumber and ice cream. What a good combination. You like it. Well, you got two things you love put together to make a better sort of ice cream and a better sort of beetroot. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you guys later. See ya.
See ya.